be my first experience camping in the winter.
This is what we're taking with us. So we're going to Trigger Gap in Arkansas to camp, middle of November. So we have our pillows and our sleeping air mattress, the pump for it, our cooking stuff. We've got a couple of blankets, the big Agnes tent, one of the rated really cold sleeping bags, food, another sleeping bag, and then our clothes. And that's it. Yeah, and some wine.
All right, let's pack it up. So I usually try and pack it with the heavy stuff and the flat stuff down first. Amanda said it's gonna be lighter, and I usually put all the heavier stuff towards the front of the plane. So try to stuff the back with the blankets and whatnot. Also have bungee cords attached to the other side, which when we get everything loaded in there, I got hooks on the back side to bungee cord the stuff together. So these are 2 chairs to take, little camping chairs. This goes in the blanket, kind of stuffed in the back here. It's gonna be really cold. It's gonna be like 20 at night. It's gonna be almost like winter camping. It's supposed to be 50 during the day, so. Sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. And there's a lot of room that goes all the way up in this area. Then we start piling on some of the other items. So a tent goes in. And get camp stove and camping stuff. Propane tank. Then what I usually do is get straps down. And there's a hook right there. Oh, can't forget the wine. It's Robert Mondavi. Let's see if we can get this shoved in here. Perfect. So while we're packing the plane, got the preheat going, and then I got a little space heater in the cabin, kind of preheat the cabin a little bit. Kind of makes it nice for getting in. And we got a free heater on the engine. So I also keep a little bag of tools and some tie downs and stuff in here just in case. So that goes with and always stays on my side. All we got left is our food bag here. Which again, I got the same straps. Go there. Usually feed straps through it. And then my bag with a drone and some clothes and some other supplies stuffed in here. And then just gets strapped in. And I strap it through the back side of my bag. Originally. Moving. And there's another. And we're all packed up. That's it.
Hazardous weather information for the Terre Haute area available on flight service frequencies. Arriving via our aircraft, contact home and approach on 125.45 at least 15 miles from the airport. Advise on initial contact, you have Alpha.
Alpha. Alright, alright.
Sycamore 8, number 2 to Diamond Left Base, runway 23, clear touch and go.
Number 2, traffic in sight, runway 23, clear touch and go, Sycamore 8.
Sycamore 6, number 4, departure. Number 9051, Charlie Tango, hold main tower, hold short of runway 23 for inbound traffic.
Hold short 23, 9015, Charlie Tango.
Sycamore 6, extend your downwind.
Send back down, 616.
Sigmar 7, traffic to follow is ahead and to your left in a mile diamond.
Scanning for that traffic. Traffic inside, Sigmar 7.
Sigmar 7, roger, follow that traffic.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Trim is set. Parachute's armed. We recording out there?
Yep.
Oil pressure good. We got plenty of fuel. Pumps are good. Got plane on final here.
Sigmar 44, extend your downwind.
Extend downwind, Sigmar 44.
Intentional aircraft use caution, large flock of geese, 1 mile from the approach end of runway 23 southbound,
Ooh, yeah.
approximately 500 feet of the runway.
Oh shit.
He's below him.
Sigmar 6, turn base.
Turn base, Sigmar 6.
Cessna 951, Charlie Tango, fly runway heading, runway 23 at Foxtrot, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 23, runway heading 915 Charlie.
Sigmar 42, extend your downwind to follow the diamond at your 12 o'clock, 1.5 mile.
Extending downwind, and we have that traffic inside, Sigmar 42.
Roger. Sigmar 6, 1 departure, disregard.
Ready?
Yep.
Speed live.
Number 3, scanning for that traffic, Sigmar 7. Side, Sigmar 7.
Sigmar 7, number 3, runway 23, clear for the option.
I'm going to make this one a full stop, Sigmar 7.
Sigmar 7, roger, runway 23, clear to land.
Runway 23, clear to land after following traffic, Sigmar 7.
Sycamore 1, number 3 to the Diamond, 2 mile left base, runway 23. Clear touch and go, and that traffic ahead of you will be a full stop.
Number 3, runway 23, and we have that traffic in sight, Sycamore 1.
Sycamore 8, the traffic you're following is at your 12 o'clock, 2 miles Diamond.
Traffic in sight, Sycamore 8.
Sycamore 8, number 4, runway 23, clear touch and go.
Number 4, runway 23, clear touch and go, Sycamore 8.
Sycamore 6 traffic you're following is at your 12 o'clock, 2 miles midfield Diamond.
Scanning for that traffic, Sycamore 6.
How we doing? Good?
Yeah.
And we're out.
Yep. Hi guys. Okay, so we are currently on the way to Trigger Gap in the Ozarks.
Sycamore 7, turn right Foxtrot, contact ground point 6.
Identifier is 17
Right,
Alpha.
Foxtrot, contact ground, Sycamore 7.
So a little bit about Trigger Gap. It's a 3,000-foot grass strip runway near Eureka Springs in Arkansas. There's one runway, 10 and 28. And there is noise abatement in effect, so you've got to make sure you pay attention to that. You need to maintain 800 feet minimum AGL.
They don't want you flying over the southwest portion. There's some houses there. So
Yeah.
they got an east-west runway, essentially, and basically try and stay north. So you got a left pattern for one runway and a right pattern for the other one.
Yep, 28's the left, 10 is the right.
Yep. So this morning,
Sparta traffic, Cessna 757, my max driver. We're going to be overflying the field 3,500 on our way to Pinckneyville. Sparta traffic.
So we are going to be camping at Trigger Gap, and Trigger Gap's really cool. It's got camping spots, picnic tables, a covered shelter, fire pits, and bathrooms, which I'm excited about.
yeah, bathrooms. They think they even have a grill and stuff there.
Yeah. You can also call Kings River Outfitters, and they can pick you up at the airfield, and they'll take you canoeing and fishing and all of that stuff, and then they'll drop you back off.
We are crossing the Mississippi. The Mississippi right there. Blue skies
Sparta
ahead.
traffic, Scott November 26 Zulu, 5 miles to the north on the 18 approach,
Yep,
straight
you can
in,
even see
touch
some
and
hills
go,
in
and
the
departing
background.
to the west, Sparta.
Yeah. So, coming up ahead here, you can, out to the right side, you can see the Mississippi River. So I think we're in Missouri now.
I think so, yeah.
Up ahead, you can't really see it. You can kind of see some, I hate to call them mountains, but they're
The hills.
definitely different terrain than what we've been flying over. Trigger Gap traffic, flight design 915 Charlie Tango. Be joining about a 2-mile final runway 28. Be doing a low approach inspection pass. Trigger Gap.
$500.
Okay.
Trigger Gap traffic, flight design 915 Charlie Tango is on a modified downwind for, left downwind for runway 10. Will be a full stop runway 10, Trigger Gap. And there's some more birds.
Yep.
And Trigger Gap traffic, flight design 915 Charlie Tango turning final, runway 10, full stop, Trigger Gap.
$500. $500.
Thank you. a nice little gust of wind there.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah. It was a bumpy landing. Them cows are all like, what you doing?
And we're there. I'm gonna park over to the right, where I parked before. So it's where the fire ring's at.
Okay. Sounds good. We made it!
Walk over there. Looks like a damaged Mooney. I don't know what happened. Looks like it's been here for a while. Here's the little lean-to. Oh, there's a hammock thing over there. What do you think?
Nice. This is cute with the little grill.
Yeah, they got a grill. Fireplace. Storage.
Oh. You just put your stuff in it?
No, it's got like propane and I think there's probably matches and stuff in there. Paper towels.
They got electricity.
Yeah. You can check out the bathroom?
Yeah, let's see if it's even open.
It's open. Maybe. This is where Amanda will be spending some of her time here.
You too.
It's like solar powered. Vacant. Oh, look at that!
This is nice.
Wow. Got a urinal and a composter toilet and some other stuff.
I think we'll have it to ourselves today.
What's that?
I think we'll have it to ourselves today.
You do?
Yeah.
Those are cow poops on here.
I don't know.
Cow must have got through. Huh.
Do it.
I ain't got time for that. Plane looks pretty level, don't it?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
All right. This is where we're gonna camp. There's some firewood over here too already.
Yeah.
Oh, we made it to Trigger Gap. Had us some lunch, just some sandwiches. And Matt made a fire. So now we're gonna sit by the fire for a little while and relax.
What are we having for dinner?
Hamburgers and potatoes.
Yeah?
Yep.
Amanda cooked us up a little bit of a feast. Well, she prepared it. Now we're sitting here in front of the fire.
Cooking it off and
Cooking it off before the
eat.
sun goes down. A little chilly, maybe what, 45? 35? Who knows?
It's in the 30s.
It's gonna get chilly tonight.
And it's a bit windy. If it wasn't windy, it'd be fine.
It's gonna be glorious though.
Okay, guys, so we got up really early this morning.
Flight 1315, contact Kansas City Center at 133.22.
Got up really early this morning because the winds were going to pick up at Trigger Gap. You're on top of the mountain, kind of unprotected. So we left at what, 5 this
Five,
morning?
yeah, around 5 this morning.
So full moon, you kind of see the runway and everything. We made a stop in Branson to get fuel, and now we're on the way home. So I had to cut our trip short.
Yep.
But that's just how the cookie crumbles, I guess. Right?
Yes, yes it is.
Yeah, we'll catch up.
It is now.
I'll fly right over the house.
Yep.
Sigma 44, turn left heading 090, contact departure. 090, over departure, 44.
Plane right out here somewhere.
I know, I'm looking for it.
Oh, it's cool down here.
Yep.
And Cessna 502 Foxtrot, verify you still have that diamond traffic in sight east to your 1 o'clock and about a mile, altitude 2,800 climbing. Traffic in sight, back to 502 Foxtrot. Cessna 502 Foxtrot, roger, and you can make left close traffic. Left close traffic, back to 502 Foxtrot. Flight Design 9015 Charlie Tango, runway 14, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 14, and we are going over to the west, T5 Charlie Tango.
Roger. Flight Design 5 Charlie Tango, right turn Charlie to parking. Have a good day.
Right turn, Charlie to parking. Have a good day. 5 Charlie Tango. Thanks for dope. And we're home.
Yes, we are.